Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another exciting video. So in today's video, again I'm going to share beautiful school supplies. Two pen holders and pencil and pen toppers. But before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So let's start it. For the first DIY, we will cut the shape of a cloud on a rough paper, folding it in half. Now cut the two same size cardboard pieces by tracing it. Cover the cardboard cloud with white paper. The paper should be thick enough, otherwise you will not get finishing. I am using white chart paper here. Spread the glue properly and paste it. Prepare both the clouds like this only. Now take the home file roll. I am going to cut it into 3 pieces as per the size of the cloud. 1 bigger and 2 smaller pieces. I pasted them on a cardboard piece to make the base. And trimmed the extra edges. I put the glue between the two stands to paste them properly. Now I am going to paste them on the first piece of cardboard cloud with the white paper in front, and then paste the another one onto it. To cover the edges, I am pasting white macrame. You can use jute rope also, or a thin strip of white paper as well. Cover both the parts in the same manner. Now I am drawing the eyes. This holder is looking very cute. You can put your drawing essentials and school supplies into it. I hope you would have liked this DIY. Please let me know in the comment section. So move to our next DIY. Our next DIY is a flower pencil topper, for which I am using leftover pieces of glitter sheets. We need thin small strips of glitter sheets. The size is mentioned on the screen. Paste them together following the instructions. Prepare all the petals like this. Paste them all on a paper circle in the shape of flower. I am using a mirror for the center. Make the topper with the foam sheet, paste the flower onto it. In the same way you can create the butterfly topper as well. How cute these toppers are looking. Now move to our third DIY. In the last video we made girly pen holder, but now it's for boys. For this we need a cylindrical box. I am using a watch box. I covered it with brown paper, which we use to cover the notebooks, keeping the rough side in front. Cut the edges and paste them. I pasted a circular piece of paper at the bottom. Now I have taken a round cardboard piece a little bit bigger than the circumference of the box. Now take a round piece of cloth 2 inches bigger than the cardboard piece. I am stitching it around the edges. Put the cardboard inside it and tighten the thread by pulling it. And then tie it. Now cover it with another piece of round cloth. To make the specs, first draw the shape of specs on folded paper. Draw the moustache as well. Now cut them and trace them on black glitter sheet. Cut the inside part of specs with craft knife. Paste the specs and moustache. I am using googly eyes. Paste the eyebrows which I cut out of black foam sheet. Now I have taken a strip of foam sheet as per the circumference of the box. It should be little big so that it could fit the box properly as a lid. I covered the strip with the same cloth. Now paste it, making it a circle. Paste the circle onto circular piece. This will work as a lid and the head for the main pen holder. How cute and classy this DIY holder is looking. I pasted a white rope around the cap, which I forgot to record. You can use it as your stationery holder or you can store your chocolates etc. into it. It will just enhance the beauty of your study table. I hope guys you would like all the DIYs. Please let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. So see you in the next video. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay tuned, be crafty. Bye bye.